How to fix CPU uptime on Windows 11. What's up everyone, welcome back to the video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can fix CPU uptime on your Windows 11. First thing first, you have to open your control panel. If this is available to you on your desktop, you can open it from here, but if it's not, go to your search bar and search for control panel. Once you open it, you can go to this category and then make sure that is selected on large icon, because it will show up all of the hidden options as well, which is more accessible to you. Now all you want to do is find the power options. Just open this option. On the left side of your screen you can see different options like choose what the power buttons do, choose what closing the lid does. So here are all of the options. Just click on the first one, and from here you can define power buttons and turn on password protection. So just click on settings that are currently unavailable, and then under your shutdown settings you can see this option, turn on fast startup, which is recommended. It helps start your PC faster after shutdown, so restart is not affected by this. You just have to make sure to turn this off and then save changes. After this, you just give your PC a quick restart and then your problem should be fixed. If you found the video helpful, like the video and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.